Hello creative people, welcome back to another brand new video editing tutorial by Mr. RABBY. In this video, I am going to show you how to create fake slow motion in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. So guys, we have a great tutorial for today, so let's get started and have some fun. Import your footage inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. Then drag your footage on the timeline. I am using a video with 60 FPS, but also you can use a minimum 24 FPS video. Now select the video and right click on it. Then open speed duration. Now decrease the speed into 50%. Also you can use as your choice. The more you decrease the speed, the slower your video will be. But please remember, if your video got low frames, then your video will be choppy. Now you will see that there is a still frame with a moving frame. So we need to fix this up. Right click on the video and go to time interpolation and select optical flow. Now Premiere Pro wants us to render the video. Press the enter key to render the project. Now you will see that every single frame is moving. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up to my video. Also subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. See you next time. Till then, have some fun.
We'll be right back.